Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making these beautiful and cute chocolates here from white chocolate melts for decorating this beautiful cake we have here. These are the ingredients we are using to make the chocolates with this silicone molds here. So this is how this looks like on the back side. If we place in the chocolates here, it's going to look something like this. And then we also have these ones, the love molded one. These are white melted chocolates. I'll also be adding in some cocoa powder when I finish with the kind of design I want to make and I see maybe it needs a bit of colored decoration or something. Then before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. I'm going to start with this mold here. So I'll pour in the chocolates. Push it to the corners of the mold, ensuring it fills it fully. On this one because I want to add in a bit of the cocoa powder to make it kind of a marbling effect in the other molds. We are going to scoop some of the chocolate into this one as well. I'm going to add the chocolate one here. We'll mix some with this as well. Now that I've filled that mold, I'll pour all the other into the last chocolate mold here. We'll be using this to decorate the cake that I've placed on the screen. So we are doing this first and then we continue after it dries and then forms the chocolate shapes that we've poured into the molds for it to make. These are the chocolates, so I'm going to lift them and place them onto this serving tray here. After shaking them off, then we are going to freeze them until they are solid enough to be removed from the mold. This is how the chocolates look like after picking it out of the fridge. So I'm going to remove them from the molds one by one. So this is one. And this is how they look like. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So we'll meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.